Hi there. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. We've all done what you see me doing. We've all taped up a package for shipping, and most of us own packing tape, clear packing tape. But did you know it has 5 other fantastic uses? I'm going to tell you about each one. First of all, I want to tell you how to finish with it at the end when you're done using it, so you don't go, I can't get that out of there. You can fold it over like this, or try not to drop it. Or, now here's the way I like to do it. You just fold it almost like you're going to be folding a flag. You make a triangle, and then as it goes down on the tape, you've got a little tab. You can also use a little plastic bread tab. So 3 different ways you can keep from ever having that frustration. Now, another thing packing tape is wonderful for is if someone drops something glass and it shatters, and we can all see the big pieces and we can sweep up the medium pieces, but that powdery, pulverized glass that's bad for your floor, your feet, for anything, you want to put some packing tape down and just go like this and pick up those pieces. Another great use for packing tape is if you have, and this could be even kids' toy pieces, but let's say you have something you're building or disassembling and reassembling, and you don't want to lose all the little nuts and bolts. Just take a piece of packing tape, and then you can save these with the item and they won't get lost, which is, oh my goodness, so helpful. But the same with little kid toys that have a zillion little parts. This is a great thing to use. Another wonderful use for packing tape, and I do this all the time, when I run out of a sticky roller to get pet hair off my clothes, I just use packing tape, and it works great on your clothing. Okay, another wonderful use is if you have takeout boxes that don't hold anymore, they keep popping open, just put a little piece of packing tape on there so your food won't dry out. Now granted, you can transfer the food to like a Tupperware or something, but if you don't want to even do that, and you just want to keep it from popping open, reach for a piece of packing tape. And this last one will probably surprise you. If you are troubled with fruit flies or gnats in your home, two of the ways they get in, believe it or not, one is through light sockets and another could be through your sink. So take some packing tape and put it over your sink, leaving a little space for water to go through. And just start to notice if it's capturing any little insects over that hole. The same with your light switches. Take off the plates and then try to cover as much as you can with packing tape, and then in a few days check it and see if little bugs are in there. So, pretty surprising uses for packing tape. I'm Joni Hilton, your YouTube mom. Hey, be sure to subscribe and tell your friends to subscribe. And don't forget to visit my website, jonihilton.com. See you next time.